That is my answer, Honorable Speaker.
Senator Orwoba.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. I just want to bring to the attention of the House on the issue of expunging certain submissions. Mr. Speaker, I think it is imperative that we understand that the individual who's on trial here is the Deputy Governor, Mr. Speaker. And when I look at some of the submissions and where we are being pulled towards in terms of, for instance, the reference on page 56, where we are told that we have to listen to certain issues that have been submitted with regards to the governor's wife, Mr. Speaker. As you have seen, and we have all seen previously, we have really tried as a Senate to stay away from the issue of the office of the First Lady or the First Gentleman, Mr. Speaker. And more often than not, including in these submissions that I have had being discussed in terms of being expunged, more often than not, it is a way of digressing this House from actually focusing on the charges, Mr. Speaker. The charges that are before us are four. They are of gross violation, abuse of office, gross misconduct, and crimes under the national law. None of these charges, Mr. Speaker, are directing us to the wife of the governor. Mr. Speaker, so as you make that ruling, I implore you, Mr. Speaker, that you understand that this issue of the office of the First Lady and the First Gentleman is often being used to bring non-issues to this House, Mr. Speaker. So I want to point out to both parties that, first of all, the governor's wife is not going to appear before us. So therefore, we should, it is not forming part of this impeachment. And so therefore, Mr. Speaker, if you can guide that we do not reduce the House into a House that is going to discuss matters of patriarchy or feminism, or the issue of the first office or not the first office. The person who is here is the Deputy Governor, and we should limit our discussions on whether this particular impeachment has weight to impeach a Deputy Governor, and leave away the issues of or trying to bring about the spouse of the governor or any other person in this impeachment. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Senator Ledama.